This is a decal, this is also a decal, and this is decal also. But how do they work? How can you replicate one? And how do you make it look good? Hi, and welcome to this tutorial, and in the next few minutes I will answer questions that I asked earlier. So what are decals? Decals are a type of texture map used to apply specific designs or patterns onto 3D models. So how do I create it? For my example I'll use Blender and random image I got from Google. I already stuffed basic PBR material and imported my decal. For my example I'll use basic plane. We also have to add an empty cube, which will control position, scale, and rotation of our decal. Now import into PBR material the decal image and also make sure that it has transparent background. Then change texture coordinates to object and select empty. Now you can preview this image and see that it's rotated wrongly. To fix that, rotate an empty object. After that we run into another problem. Image is too small and repeats along our plane. To prevent that, you should change repeat to clip. Now it's too small and placed in the upper right corner. And to fix both scale and position, you have to change scale to half a scale of empty object and location to 0.5 meters. At this point you can mix this image with color texture and you'll see decal on your plane. But if you have another object that is behind an empty object, our decal will display it too, which we don't want. So let's get back to material node editor and add separate XYZ to texture coordinates. Then plug Z into mask node and change its mode to less than and threshold to 1. Duplicate this node and change its mode to greater than and threshold to -1. Mix them with mode multiply and factor set to 1. After that, mix with alpha channels of decal image, set mode to multiply and factor to 1, then connect it to factor and final mix node. And we just created a graffiti using decals in Blender. But I have something to make it cooler, aware of, based on displacement, so parts that are pushed forward more get wore off easily, rather those that are in between of bricks. For that, mix displacement map with alpha image of decal image using overlay and set factor to 0.95. And add a map range node in between decal image and mix in the same node between displacement map. In the one for displacement map, change the mean value to 1 and to max value to -3, effectively reversing colors in the displacement map. After mix node, add yet another map range with 2 max values set to 1.5. After this mix node, add a color ramp with mode set to ease and try to replicate the position of my sliders. As a final step, add another mix node, but this time in between of base color input and decal with base texture mix. Plug base texture into A socket and add color ramp into factor socket. And it's ready. You can change how much your decal is ruined by changing to max value of map range that's in between of decal's alpha channel and mix overlay. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I see you in the next one.